Alright, you ready? Okay, I'll go with you.
Take off flaps. Throttle cut. Normal rate.
See ya, Bob.
Bye, Chris.
Yeah, see you later. See you guys later. Thanks.
Alright, so you remember what to do? Yeah, all they made new ones.
So, here. We take off, do a little bit of formation, break up. Do you want me to go to the right first or the left?
You choose. Whatever you do, I gotta do the opposite, right? You choose.
They're cool.
Because I can do whatever. Don't be nervous about it. The worst thing you can do is be nervous about it. Don't be nervous about it. Alright?
I'm going to do
So here's the deal. If you can't remember what you're doing, just go higher. Okay? And when I say high, I mean way above what we're going to do.
Got it.
Okay? So we want to be 25 feet on the high side, for, below 10 feet on the low side. Okay? Alright, ready? So you go first. So I'll be a little behind you, you know, on formation, and then we'll break up, and then you choose whatever direction you want to go, and I'll go the opposite. Okay?
Ready?
Yep, go.
3, 2, 1.
Timer cleared.
Go.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Tell me when you want to break up.
Oh, you tell me.
Ready? Go.
Go.
Alright, I'm going high.
Okay? So then I'll go the low way. Okay, so now I'm coming down, and I'm going to go low, okay? Okay, now
Alright, I'm going high.
okay, there you go. That's good. So now on the way back, you got to go low. Okay. There you go.
Like that?
Yep.
Time remaining.
Oh, you see what I mean? Get it? Not too bad. Now I'm going to show you what to do if you kind of lose your pattern or you want to get clearance. Just pull up and get out of the pattern. Okay? Go. Perfect. Lower. That's good. Good. Okay. Now I'm going to do one where I'm going to be over you or below you. So you're coming the other way, right?
Yep.
You're a little too high.
I didn't know if you were going to go like...
Okay, but that's good. So I'm going to be low.
Alright, and then...
You're going to be reasonably high. Okay?
High. I got
Like 25 feet.
it.
There we go. See, that works.
Low.
Yep. There you go. See? Perfect. Just stick to that. See how easy? It's not hard. You just got to get used to it. And we can only do this for about 2-3 minutes, so we'll be good. Okay.
Oh my god, I almost hit the ground.
It's good.
You went high.
You got to give space, though. Don't just yank around, okay? You got to do a smooth turn, okay? So that so that people can see what you're doing, all right? Make it a smooth turn.
I got 34 seconds left. Make it a gear pass. Alright, gear pass.
We're all going to be talking too, so we'll know what each other's doing, all right?
Time remaining. 1 minute.
Nope, it's not. If you think that it's going to be hard, it's going to be hard. If you just relax and go with it, you'll be good.
Exactly. Just play your guitar.
Exactly.
Landing.
Okay. There you go. Okay.
30 seconds.
Still got about 30 seconds to go, so I'm going to keep Burning it up.
Awesome, thank you.
Probably do touch and go.
9,
Nope, I gotta come in.
7, gear down.
Yeah, I
6,
landed at 3
5,
seconds.
4,
Those things are so cool.
1. Time expired. Landing flaps.
5 what?
Flaps up.
So you got it, Mikey?
Yeah, I'm understanding it now.
Yeah, and just don't overthink it. If you get a little weirded out and don't know, exactly know what to do,
Go up.
and talk to the guys around you to tell them what you're doing. All right, you'll be good. Yeah, this one was nice. Because all I had to do was paint these. And then I got the graphics from Cali.